Yeah, man. So these are some Haitian okra. We have the sauce pois, didi, and then you have the sauce kalaloo, right? This is what them call the Haitian kalaloo, right? But okra. This, let me show you the Jamaican one. No, Jamaican people usually fling okra in anything, you know. But if I one dish you ever go here, Jamaican people always talk about a steamed fish and okra body. Right, yeah, so this is something. Put the island on your back. The trend where you need. Yeah, man. Haitian and Jamaican food, top tier. I'm gonna make you fall in love. I'm gonna give you the trend where you need. Never have Jamaican food or Haitian food, you're asleep, dog. Wake up. Go get yourself a Jamaican or a Haitian.